Ate, please send me that Filipino love song so I start to practice it. This song. Ay, oo, iniibig kita. Yeah, I will send it. Wait lang, kuya. I will send it to you now, so I won't be forget it. This one. I will just send it. Mhm. Oh, no, no, no,